Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Just give me a second to sort out something. There we go. Okay, I'm back here. So it's New York Open, another opportunity for us to participate on the market. So let's jump straight into it. This is the morning trade we took. I'm making short about it. Yeah, I'm gonna talk more about this trade later on, but first let's mark the key areas that we usually use. So we're gonna have we have the London highs swept. We have the London highs now, and we have the Asian lows right here. We still have SMT from below. Oop. Yeah, we're just taking the highs, which were a very good target. That's the highs. That's the previous day highs. Very strong liquidity level, and we're gonna put the previous day lows as well. Right here, we go back at 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, we're very close to the previous day highs. So we expect some reactions from there. This is how it looks like for the moment. This is the London Open right here. We close above, we moved the whole session above the DR, and soon we're gonna take the previous day high. And to be honest, I expect reversal during the New York session. Okay, I got this sorted. So yeah, this is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. To be honest, I haven't watched gold what was doing this morning because it was very slow during the first hour. Apparently we closed below, we came back to the upper part and again to the low, and now we're above. Strange price action, the one we don't want to be in. We have swept the lows, but we have London lows here. We have those London lows. As a target, Let me see the previous day high and low. We take the previous day low. Bro, how are you doing, man? Let's make some money. Let's make some money, my friend. Let's make some money. Yeah, I'm still marking the key areas. Yeah, we'll see. For gold, really guys, I don't have any narrative at the moment. It's in downtrend, so we prefer shorts definitely. Yeah, definitely we prefer shorts. But we'll see. London low is a good target. If we take the London low, we're gonna look for other liquidity levels somewhere here. But for now, yeah, I think we're gonna focus more on Nasdaq. But we'll keep eye on gold. We'll keep eye on gold. So Nasdaq, what happened today? We had this beautiful SMT here. As you can see on Nasdaq, we managed to take those lows, while on S&P 500 we couldn't take those lows. So since 8 o'clock, I saw this. This was the first thing I saw in the morning, and my bias was bearish because of it. And I was anticipating a breakout from the 15 minutes orb, but it didn't happen to see one. It happened after that. I went to the DR. I was waiting the DR. It didn't happen for 1 hour, but eventually we had a candle closure, and I enter on the second candle somewhere here in the middle, exactly here actually. I have the full trade on X. You can see the full trade on X. I traded beforehand. I posted beforehand. And we took 2R, even 2R in a little. Okay, we take the previous day highs, even before the market open. Let's see how we're gonna open now. Strong candle. This is very strong candle. I'm gonna close the DR for now. This is a strong candle. Let's see those highs here, how we're gonna react from them. I think those highs have been taken with those, so we're gonna, yes, if we take the highs here, we're gonna have SMT on this side, very strong one. We can take those highs if we wish. When your Amex card coming, bro? What do you mean by that? Amex? American Express? What do you mean by that, my friend? Yeah, we're watching for this right here to happen. Once we take those highs and we keep the structure, it's time to look for shorts. Goat, I'm closing the DR here. Goody. Yeah, goat is ranging again. Look at this candle. One more push from Nasdaq. Come on, take them. Take them highs. Yeah, there we go. Can we take entry only by sweeping those highs? No, hell no. Hell no. But now we're gonna look for an entry model from here. So this is our 5-minute orb. I expect to go all the way down now. Or if the push is very strong, we'll keep moving until we take those highs here as well. Which can happen, of course. We have this SMT. So we're bullish now, we are very bullish. We have the 5-minute orb on gold as well. I don't like the structure of gold at all. If we see liquidity sweep on those highs here, 15-minute orb on 5 minutes close below, we can target those lows, definitely. Let's see. It's very bullish. It's very bullish. Would we enter here without the liquidity sweep? Not really. I really want to see liquidity sweep. Yeah, we swept the highs twice, but this is equal highs right here. Relatively equal highs. Price often love to retrace back to them. But with some small percentage, yeah, we can risk something. With something small, really. Let's see if it makes sense. 2.26, not bad. Ooh, strong one. TP3 to 82.88. Let's see this candle, how it's gonna close. If it closes like this, I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm in. Yeah, exactly 2R. 200 lows. If you're curious how the trade looked like, oh, sorry. Where did you go? Why? You nasty. There we go. This is how the trade looked like. Where are the highs? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th. This is the lows. This is not very good. Small percentage, guys, because this is a very high risk. As I said, we didn't saw any liquidity sweep. 0.25 on this. We still aim for those highs. Oh my days. Very strong push. Very strong push. Come on, go. Don't be like that. Yo, here he is. How you doing, my friend? It's always like this. When I say we're not looking goat, we ended up taking trade on goat. But again, low risk. It's just a test. 5-minute orb have the lowest probability of all of them. Like 5-minute have bigger one, 15-minute have even bigger one. If we wanted to see a TP here, what I wanted to see was down, maybe a little bit retracement, and straight down. Should drop from 303. 303. We have liquidity up there. 303. Yeah, I know I wanted to see liquidity sweep as well, but I decided to risk it because my bias is it's bearish, and I just wanted to test it. 0.2 for 0.5, not bad. How's stream going? Hi guys, it's going good. It's going good. I'm not in, just guessing. I said the same in the beginning. I want to see a liquidity sweep before we enter, but I just went into it. Your chart is different to mine. Well, price. Yeah, because as we spoke last time, this is CFDs. You trade futures probably. How I've been? I've been very good actually. It's what is it's 9th of June. This month been very good. I still don't have. I still haven't lost a trade for this month, so I guess this will be the one. It start coming back now. But I really lowered the risk recently. I'm Bulgarian, my friend. I'm Bulgarian. I live in the UK though. I live in the UK. Yorkshire. But I'm from Bulgaria. ICT Prodigy, did you had any trade in the morning? Okay, GOAT is coming back, and look at Nasdaq. Oh my days. Come on, take it, take it. Take it so we can look for a short. Can we look for a short? Look at this push. Nice, I'm from West Virginia. Nice. Not traded all since last Wednesday. Yeah, you know how it is. Nobody says you need to take a trade every day. It's the opposite. It's better to have a couple of trades a week rather than taking trades like crazy. Can I suggest you something? Always, my friend, always. Always. Of course you can, always. Gold came back to the price we enter. A long way to go to London lows, but who knows? Looks like 3304, it's working. When I started the session, I said we're not looking at gold. And there we are, taking a trade at gold. Nasdaq, it just doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. Look at those candles. I haven't seen him recently like this. Yeah, why not, man? Why not? But not now. Maybe you can contact me later. You can write, I don't know where. Whatever you like. You can write me on X or TikTok. Oh my days. Oh my days. Yeah, it'll take us out. Or not. Let me guess, it's gonna sweep those highs and then it's gonna target the lows. What happened with the 15-minute? 1, 2, 3. This will be the breakout. Yeah, I'm out on this one. Nasdaq, just don't stop. Ouch, yes, just with couple of candles. Just with couple of candles. The 15-minute gonna close above. Yeah, since yesterday I'm saying this. The market conditions are bad. We're just ranging and going down with the range. We have a couple of candle closures above those highs, and I didn't want to trade it, but I just decided to try it. Can you drop your DC username? What do you mean by DC? I think all of them, they're on the screen just below the trading, below the trading window. Are we about to see the first black candle? Okay, we take those highs as well. There is no SMT on above. We keep getting this. What a move from here. Look at this move. Look at this. How come you're on New York session? I don't know. I just decided to pop in. Usually I don't stream during the New York session. You're right. Yeah. Usually I do most of my trades during the London session. But I still trade during the New York session, but I just don't stream. Rarely I stream. You mean Discord, I believe? Alright, Discord. I don't use Discord, to be honest. I don't use Discord. I used to use it, I don't use it now. Write me in X and I'll send you the Discord. I have no idea, I don't want to open now. I don't know where is my phone. Look at this. We got it all wrong, guys. Okay, now that's cool. That's cool. Look at this candle. ICT, do you trade gold? There's gonna be some good bullet here with this movement. It was so tempting for those London lows. Double lows here on 15 minutes, they will look very nice. Yeah, they will look very nice. What a candle. Yeah, it left the wick behind and all the way up. Yeah, there's like in 7, yeah. I know what you mean, yeah. I was thinking the same actually, just to pop in and have conversation with you guys. And I was thinking just to watch the chart. But I ended up taking a trade here because of those lows. They're really tempting. And the market got me. What do you think is gonna happen with the news? What is your general prediction actually? Yeah, we're gonna see that one more time, don't we? What a move. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think for the rest of the session I'll be watching the charts as well. I don't see myself entering on Nasdaq. I would if we kept the SMT here. I would be interested in shorts if we had kept this SMT. But with this big move, I wouldn't trade the DR because of the news as well. So probably I won't touch Nasdaq. And gold, as I said in the beginning, gold's been crazy. When I saw the first hour after the London Open, I said no, gold today, I'm not gonna touch gold today. And I haven't watched gold all day actually. I just watched the first hour of London, and after that, when I opened the stream, that was the other time I actually saw what gold was doing, and I still don't like it. Look at this. It break out from a range and just came back. It trapped buyers here. It trapped a lot of buyers. Oh. It keeps going up. It's too bullish. I won't enter on anything here. Yesterday I managed to catch this trade. The day before it was this one. They've been all on live. Today we take an L. This is my first loss for the month actually. What we did, we sold somewhere here. Oh, we didn't bought. We sold somewhere here. It was to our target in the highs, something like this. Totally wrong idea. Ooh. Okay. Okay. They're not speaking the same language here. No, they're not speaking the same language. This is interesting. Will Nasdaq follow? Right, guys, I don't think I'm gonna trade any of my models. I don't see at the moment the orb. We're not gonna trade anything on the orb. I'm not gonna take DR trades as well. We have news later. The main idea is gone. I wanted to see. I was anticipating this SMT here with those highs. But we don't have it, so the main idea is gone. I just wanted to repeat what happened in the morning, but it's not that easy. So yeah, I think I'll just keep going with my day. I'll eat something, go hit the gym, and yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the news gonna bring. And yeah. Right, guys, thank you being with me, guys. ICT, thank you again, and hopefully I'll see you in better conditions where we can catch a trade together.